Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this circle along with these two tangent lines, as you can see in this diagram, such that this angle ABC is 48 degrees. And now we are going to find the angle X. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. Before we proceed any further, let me make it very clear that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's go ahead and connect this center O with these points of tangencies A and C, as you can see over here, and likewise over here as well. And here's our much nicer looking diagram. Now let's recall the central angle theorem. The angle at the center is twice the angle at the circumference. Now we can see over here our angle at the circumference is x, so therefore our angle at the center over here is going to be 2 times x. So therefore our angle AOC turns out to be 2x. And now let's recall the circle theorem. The angle between the radius and the tangent is always 90 degrees. As you can see in this diagram, this is our radius and this is our tangent, and this angle is 90 degrees. Now we can see that these are our two radii, so therefore this angle with the tangent line is going to be 90 degrees and this angle is going to be 90 degrees as well. So therefore our angles OCB and OAB each are equal to 90 degrees. And here's our final step. Let's focus on this quadrilateral OABC. We know that the sum of the angles in a quadrilaterals are 360 degrees. That means the sum of these four angles must be equal to 360 degrees. So therefore, let me go ahead and write down 2x plus 90 degrees plus 90 degrees plus 48 degrees equal to 360 degrees. Now let's combine the like terms on the left hand side. So 2x plus if we add these angles, that's going to be 228 degrees equal to 360 degrees. Now let's go ahead and subtract 228 degrees from both sides. And now we can see this cancels out. So therefore 2x turns out to be equal to 132 degrees. Let's divide both sides by 2 to isolate x. So therefore our angle x turns out to be 66 degrees. So thus our angle x turns out to be 66 degrees. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.